Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to find detailed transactions by Vat Box in Xero. This is super useful when you're reviewing VAT returns or checking which transactions went into each VAT category. And the best part, this works perfectly even if you're using a demo company. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. I'm using the demo company, but the steps are exactly the same for real accounts. On the top menu, click Accounting. From the drop-down, select Reports. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Tax. Under this, click on VAT Return. This page shows you the summary of your VAT return, including all the VAT boxes. On the VAT return page, select the period you want to review. For example, you might choose quarter ending June. Once selected, Xero will automatically generate the VAT summary. Now you'll see VAT box numbers like Box 1, Box 2, Box 4, Box 6, and so on. Here's the important part. If you want to see which exact transactions make up a VAT box, Xero lets you drill into it. For example, if you want to see the transactions behind Box 1, VAT on sales, simply click on the blue number under Box 1. This will open a detailed list showing every invoice, credit note, and sales entry that contributed VAT to this box. You can see contact name, invoice number, date, VAT rate, tax amount, and account code. The same works for every VAT box. Just click the blue number under any box to see the list behind it. You can also export the list for reporting or auditing. At the top right of the transactions page, click Export. Xero lets you download it as a PDF, CSV, or Excel. This is great if you want to share the detailed breakdown with your accountant or keep it for your records. Another useful feature is filters. If your list is very long, you can narrow it down. At the top of the transactions table, you'll see filter options like date range, contact, VAT rate, and transaction type. You can also click on column headers and just sort by VAT amount, date, or description. This makes it very easy to spot unusual entries or check if something was sent to the wrong VAT box. And that's it. That's how you find detailed transactions by VAT box in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more accounting and Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching.